All right, you have got to see this. There's this brand new, super simple, and totally faceless YouTube trend that is just exploding right now. We're talking about a formula that's so easy to get into, you could start today with literally $0. And the results? They're kind of staggering.
Just look at this. This one video, posted only 2 months ago, has already rocketed past 4 million views. I mean, 4 million. And because it's in the fitness niche, which pays really well, that single video could have pulled in anywhere from $4,000 to a whopping $40,000. That's the kind of potential we're dealing with here.
And, this isn't just some little YouTube bubble. Nope. This trend is absolutely popping off on TikTok and Instagram too. You should think of that as free marketing, really. It's creating this massive wave of people who are already hooked, and they're flooding over to YouTube specifically looking for this stuff.
So, it all brings us to the million-dollar question, right? What is the secret formula behind these videos? And, more importantly, how can you do the exact same thing without spending a single cent? Well, guess what? That is exactly what we are going to break down, step by step.
Honestly, you should think of this like a modern-day digital gold rush. The demand from viewers is absolutely massive, but the videos are so simple to make that there's basically nothing stopping you from jumping in. This is a huge, wide-open opportunity for new creators to get in on the action.
Let's talk money again for a second. See, the fitness niche just pays more for ads. The CPMs are higher. And what that means is that one viral video doesn't just get you a bunch of views. It has the potential for some serious income. It can turn a simple little video project into a massive payday.
Okay, now this is the crucial part. There is a huge gap in the market right now. See, almost all of these viral hits are short, like 5 to 10-minute warm-ups. But what happens when people finish and they want more? Well, nobody is really making 30-minute or full hour-long versions. That is your opening.
All right, let's pull back the curtain and really deconstruct this whole formula. You're about to see just how unbelievably easy these videos are to put together.
So we're calling them immersive fitness videos. And at their core, they're just a simple mashup of 3 things: some repeating graphics, free stock video clips, and some high-energy copyright-free music. That's it. No camera, no fancy microphone, and you never, ever have to show your face.
This chart here breaks it down perfectly. You've got these simple graphics that, are often just borrowed. Then you have video clips, funny ones, cool-looking ones, all totally free from sites like Pexels. And the whole thing is just driven by some upbeat, copyright-free music. Every single piece is already out there, just waiting for you to put them together.
Okay, so now you know what these videos are and why this is such a big opportunity. So let's get to the fun part, the how. Let's walk through how you can make your very first video with this super simple 3-step guide.
The entire process, from start to finish, really just boils down to these 3 steps. It's so simple. First, you pick a sequence of movements. Second, you go find your free video clips. And third, you just edit it all together. Let's break each one down.
So, step 1 is the workout itself. And look, you do not need to be a fitness guru. Seriously, you can start with the most basic movements imaginable, like walking in place, jogging in place, even things like pulling, knocking, or slapping. You can always build up to more advanced stuff later, but the key is to just start simple.
Now for step 2. You need your video clips. Just head over to free stock footage websites like Pexels or Pixabay. Use really simple search terms like fitness, running, or even just neon background. The source also mentioned getting creative with it. Think funny animal clips, or maybe holiday-themed footage. The sky's the limit.
And step 3 is the edit. You can do this whole thing right on your phone using free apps like CapCut. Just start with a little 3-2-1 timer to build some hype. Add some simple text on the screen to tell people the next move. Speed up your video clips to make them feel more energetic and fun. Grab some upbeat music from YouTube's own audio library. And then, this is the pro tip, try to sync your video cuts to the beat of the music.
Hey, making one viral video is awesome. But you know what's even better? Building a sustainable channel. So let's talk strategy for a minute. How to turn this trend into a real long-term brand.
This right here is so important. Right now, if you look, most of the channels doing this are super generic. Some aren't even branded at all, they're just random personal channels. That means by simply creating a memorable brand, you can immediately stand out from pretty much everyone else.
So here are 3 easy ways to do that. First, brand your channel. You can even use something like ChatGPT to help you brainstorm a catchy name or a logo idea. Second, post a lot. With a trend like this, sometimes quantity is what gets you that one big viral moment. And third, niche down. Find your own little corner. I mean, nobody's owning cat fitness or dog fitness yet. That's your chance to own an entire subcategory.
A really successful channel isn't just about getting ad money. Let's look at all the different ways you can actually make money from this simple video formula.
See, ad revenue is just the beginning. Once you have an audience, you can create merch, you can put affiliate links to fitness products in your description, you could sell digital products like workout trackers, or even put together and sell workout music playlists. The possibilities are huge.
Now, it is worth pointing out how this is all being made. The source suggests a lot of these creators are essentially remixing each other's videos. They're downloading a popular one, keeping the main graphics, but then swapping in their own stock footage. It's this collaborative, or maybe a little controversial, cycle of just piggybacking off each other's success.
And that really brings us to the final question, doesn't it? Is this whole faceless formula a real, sustainable way to build a business on YouTube for the long haul? Or is it just a quick, flashy trend, a short-term gold rush built on imitation that's just going to fizzle out? The opportunity is definitely here right now, but its future? Well, that's something to think about.